album
Shooting birds.
called The Sky. That's my album, and now here's song number 4 called Shooting Birds with my homie.
We just start shooting birds like they are tomorrow. And oh fuck, shit.
Alright, he may mess up again, but like I said, he's a beginner. Give him some time. He's gotta take some classes, man. He's gotta rhyme. He's gotta do everything. He's gotta know poetry to make a song. But that's why he's good at shooting birds. I'm maybe not that good at shooting birds, but he gonna be like up to that bitch to feel my rhythm go boom, pow, up in the head. The guts will be pouring out all over the place. And he said, here he comes.
I might mess up before, but I shoot birds like no tomorrow. Boom, chick, boom. They go down like no tomorrow. Nigga ass, motherfucker ass nigga.
Yeah, man, you heard him say the nigga. Oh shit, there's one.
Where? I need to shoot a leg.
He went up to one, thought he was a bird, popped him real good, and he said, nigga, don't be fucking touching me. And he'd be like, look at those Osiris's. Those are so fucking gay.